Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky, and if you wish to see more of my future videos like this, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and all the social media links are below in the description box if you want to follow me there. Like, I wanted to do black glitter smoky eye today, but like after applying this crayon already has little bit of shimmer in it, so that's why I haven't applied any glitter. I wanted to apply a black eyeshadow on top of this crayon and then apply a glitter in the middle lid part. Then I thought, okay, this product already has a shimmer and like you can see it's shining, so I thought, okay, why not I keep it like this. So yeah, this is literally very simple. I have only used one crayon and also a bit of eyeshadow on the crease area. That's it, like nothing much, and it's literally too simple, too easy to create. So I have combined two lipsticks and a lip gloss to create this lip shade, like you will see later, because like the one I have applied first was by Huda Beauty, then I didn't like it much, so I applied a Colourpop one on top. Then I thought, okay, why not I apply a gloss on top. So yeah, then like it looks like this, but like I will totally go for a brown or nude lipstick. And like if you are following me on TikTok, so you will definitely see my lipstick shades changed on TikTok. And yeah, without further ado, let's begin the tutorial. So yeah, literally it will be easy. So I'm going to just use this Revolution's brow pomade in the shade dark brown. As you guys know, this is my favorite brow pomade, and this is by Makeup Revolution. So I have been using this a lot in my videos, so you guys know already. So yeah, this is just in the shade dark brown, and yeah, it also comes with the applicator brush which I'm using. So I'm using this L'Oreal's Perfect Match Concealer in the shade beige. Okay, just like this, I'm just going to blend. And like literally I cleaned my brush yesterday, like all my brushes I washed yesterday, and like literally my brushes are all clean, and I'm using this BH Cosmetics number 6 brush. So first I'm going to use this rose face fixing spray. So I'm going to just spray all over my face. Okay, I'm just using this fixing spray to prime, and like okay, just like this. And you can use a primer on top, but I'm just leaving it like this because it works for me. And like I'm going to use this Fit Me Maybelline's Shine Free Balance Foundation. This is for combination skin. So this is literally a bit dark for my skin, and this is for combination skin, and this one is in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. And with this I'm going to combine this Wet n Wild's Photo Focus foundation in the shade Moyen, this one. Okay, so these two foundation I'm going to mix it together because like this Photo Focus by Wet n Wild is little bit light and they are stick foundation, and this one is by Maybelline. It's a little bit dark for my skin. So mixing both of these foundations together gives a very good coverage to my face, and like literally I love it. So and then I'm going to use 116 by BH Cosmetic, the foundation brush. I'm going to just use this one because I washed it yesterday and it's clean now. So and then to conceal, I'm going to use this same concealer by uh, L'Oreal, and today I don't know why I can't even talk. So I'm just going to apply like this. Okay, I'm going to just blend this with my finger. Okay, now I'm going to use this small Real Techniques blender, and I'm going to just spray a little bit of setting spray, the same one, and just a little bit. And now I'm going to just apply a powder, and I'm going to just use this same Ofra Cosmetics banana powder, and this one is by Ofra. And I'm going to use my same brush by BH Cosmetic number 3, and this is literally clean and like I love when my brushes are clean. And then I'm going to take a big brush by Morphe, and this is a powder brush, and I'm going to use this Wet n Wild's pressed powder, and this one is in shade beige and warm beige. So this is in the number E824E warm beige, and this is a really good powder. It says goodbye photo flashback. I got no idea you can see it or not, but like this is how it is. And like I've used this powder a lot, so this is how it is, and I'm going to just apply it to the rest of the face. Like literally when you apply stick foundations and like liquid foundation, you need to set all the areas or on your face. So literally so today I'm going to use this bronzer by Wet n Wild. So it comes with one side powder and one side bronzer, and this is Mega Glow by Wet n Wild. Looks like this. It's really good. I haven't used it in a while now, so I thought of using it today. So just taking the bronzer side, this one, and applying. This is by BH Cosmetic number 120, and this one is just a contour brush, I think. And I'm going to take the same bronzer, and I'm going to just apply it here. I literally always connect with the nose contour and this part, so like it will look everything is connected together. Also taking it a bit on the crease, and I'm applying a little bit more over here so that the lip will look a little bit plump. Okay, today I'm going to use this Fresh Class blush by Tarte, and I'm going to use my favorite brush. I'm going to use this Mega Glow highlighter by Wet n Wild. I think I've used the same one in my last video. This is how it looks. Okay, I'm going to use this brush by BH Cosmetic in the number 7. Okay, like literally this is done. I'm going to just apply a bit of powder, and I'm going to apply this powder. Okay, so I'm going to do the eyes now. Like literally I'm going to use this OXX eye crayon, and this one is in color grayish black, I think, but like I haven't tried it in a while now, so I think it's my first time using this product. I don't know, but like let's see. So like this one I got from Kmart. So like I'm going to first apply very close to the lashes. So yeah, this product has little bit of shimmer and like I like it, so I'm going to apply this all over my lid. And like I'm doing a glitter eye look, so like glitter smoky eye, so I think this one is really good just because like it already has glitter. Okay, you can also use a black gel liner, like just ignore it. Like I always do this, and like when I blend everything it looks really pretty. So if you are not sure, don't do it like this. Apply a little bit and blend, then apply more. So I'm going to use a pencil brush to blend this, because like I really want it up to here. I don't want to go too up. So I'm using this 230 Luxie pencil brush by Zoeva. So I'm going to just blend the bottom part first. Like you saw, I already applied to the waterline too. So I'm going to use another eyeshadow on the crease area to like blend everything up properly. So I'm going to use a very like light shade. Okay, I'm going to use this blush nude palette, and I think I will get a nude eyeshadow from this palette. And like yeah, I'm going to use this pinkish nude. I think this one. Okay, this one. So I'm going to use a small brush. Again, I'm going to use a pencil brush for this, because like literally I want it very close to the crease area. So I'm going to apply with this Zoeva pencil brush 230. So like I really like it. So it's just so simple and like I love it. So I'm going to just leave it like this. You can apply a bit of uh, glitter on top, but like this, as you can see, it already has glitter in this product. So like I really like it like this, so I'm going to just keep it like this. So I am going to just apply a falsies now, and I'm going to use this Adele false lashes. And okay, as my lash glue is drying, I just thought of applying a little bit of liner, and I'm going to use this Sephora's black liner in the color black, and I'm going to just apply very close to the upper lashes and onto the waterline also. So I'm going to apply some mascara now, and I'm going to apply this volumizing mascara by Revlon. And also like literally after applying the mascara, I thought I forgot to apply this color from this blush palette by Maybelline, this color to the bottom part. Like literally when I was applying the lashes, like my camera wasn't recording. Oh my god, like literally it happens. So yeah, I'm now going to apply some lipstick, and I'm literally very excited. I'm going to apply this brown lip liner by Wet n Wild, as you can see. So for the lipstick today, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty's Liquid Matte Flat. I think I don't like this lipstick that much, so I'm going to apply another one. So I don't know, I think I'm going to apply this one by Colourpop on top, and this one is Sunday. I think I have never tried this by Colourpop, and like I'm going to just use this one. Okay, I like this one. Literally the combination is really good. I like it. This is dry and like looks good matte, but like I'm going to apply gloss. So using this Colourpop's Ultra Glossy Lip, and this one is a Tight Fit. You can keep your lips matte, but like I'm that kind of girl who loves glossy lips. So this is how it came out, and literally it's very simple, very easy, yet very glamorous look you can create. And like you guys saw, I've used only one eyeshadow from that palette, and like literally it looks so pretty. So yeah, if you love my videos, then do subscribe to my channel, do follow me around on social media, links are below. And yeah, until next time, bye.